Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Keezy Tech, your go-to channel for the latest in consumer electronics and smartphone insights. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into the fascinating world of ViVo, with a particular focus on one of their standout devices, the ViVo Y27 5G. This device has truly made waves in the smartphone market, especially for those seeking a blend of affordability, performance, and sleek design. The ViVo Y27 5G is not just a device. It's a statement of innovation, catering to a wide range of users from casual consumers to tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a vital aspect of maintaining your ViVo Y27 5G, specifically, the LCD replacement. Whether you're a seasoned repair technician or a casual user experiencing display issues, understanding the ins and outs of LCD replacement is crucial to keeping your device in top shape. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the ViVo Y27 5G display. Before diving into the replacement process, it's essential to understand what makes the ViVo Y27 5G's display unique. Display type. The ViVo Y27 5G features an IPS LCD screen, known for vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. Size and resolution. Typically, it sports a 6.64-inch display with a resolution of 1080x 2400 pixels, providing sharp visuals for multimedia consumption. Protective layer. The screen is usually protected by Corning Gorilla Glass or similar, offering resistance against scratches and minor impacts. 2 common reasons for LCD replacement. Over time or due to accidents, the LCD can suffer from cracks or shattered screen, from drops or impacts, unresponsive touch, sometimes related to the LCD itself, especially if the touch layer is damaged. Display malfunctions, such as flickering, dead pixels, discoloration, or complete blackout. Water damage, exposure to moisture leading to display failure. Step-by-step LCD replacement process. Remove the back cover. Use a heat gun or eye opener to soften the adhesive. Carefully insert a plastic pry tool around the edges. Gently lift the back cover, taking care not to damage internal components. Disconnect battery and internal components. Locate the battery connector and disconnect it to prevent short circuits. Remove any screws securing the display assembly or internal brackets. Remove the broken LCD. If the LCD is glued or taped, gently peel it away. Clean the frame thoroughly, removing old adhesive residue. Install the new LCD. Align the replacement display properly. Secure with new adhesive strips or glue. Reconnect all flex cables and connectors. Reassemble the device. Reattach internal components. Reconnect the battery. Carefully snap the back cover into place, applying gentle pressure. Power on and test. Turn on the device. Test the new display for responsiveness, color accuracy, and touch sensitivity. Professional repair versus DIY. While DIY repairs can be rewarding and cost-effective, they require patience and precision. If you're uncomfortable with the process or if the device is under warranty, consider professional repair services to avoid accidental damage. Conclusion. Maintaining your ViVo Y27 5G's display is crucial for an optimal user experience. Whether you're repairing a cracked screen or replacing a faulty LCD, understanding the process helps you make informed decisions. Remember, patience and the right tools are key to a successful replacement. Thanks for tuning in to Keezy Tech today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech guides and reviews. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay tech savvy and see you in the next video. Until then, happy repairing.